Samsung is aiming to introduce one of the main feature of iPhone 14s for its Galaxy smartphones. Apple debuted an emergency feature called Satellite Connectivity Mod, meaning iPhone 14 users can apparently establish a connection with the set lights and make an emergency call when there is no cellular signal coverage. It seems Samsung don't want to be left behind, and they will also bring this feature to the future Galaxy phones. According to Tips Richello, Samsung will be the next smartphone brand in line to jump on satellite connectivity mode for its Galaxy smartphones. Well, as Apple made a big first out of something that won't be available until November and will be limited in US and Canada only. However, they are at high chances that Apple will expand this feature to other countries later this year. Don't count on the Galaxy S23 changing Samsung's mind about fast charging compared to other competing smartphones. Samsung's getting left in the dust in appearance by a likely Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra test unit on the 3C certification website has revealed charging capability that has been met with a mixed response from fans. It seems Samsung wants to continue playing it safe with the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra by not following light and fast charging trends in the Android smartphone space. We're a few months out from the expected launch of the Galaxy S23, but that doesn't mean it isn't too early for the rumor mill to start churning. The Samsung Galaxy S, they're almost always the first device is available globally with the latest Qualcomm processor, with permission from Xiaomi. We do not expect 2023 to be any different in this regard, so the brand's smartphones could integrate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in some regions, being the European models, the ones that would mount the Exynos 2300. However, Samsung may drop Exynos-powered Galaxy S phones next year, so it's not entirely certain. Both the Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chips are built on the Fortum process, and while the Samsung platform has a slightly more powerful GPU, the Qualcomm chip CPU was ever so slightly faster. Expectations are the situation will be similar with next-gen's chipsets. Samsung is making some big changes to the S23's camera, including an upgrade to a 200-megapixel sensor. The rest of the phone might look a lot like this year's hardware. While that's not necessarily a bad thing, we're pretty fond of the current Galaxy S series design. It looks like that memes will also be stuck with some legacy hardware, particularly when it comes to charging. As tweeted by notorious leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy S23 passed through network certification today on its way to becoming a real boy phone. Although this regulatory appearance doesn't give us a ton of information to work off of, it does seem to confirm that the 5th generation a row. Let me know it down in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.